Hey, you want to know how to earn extra money while working full time? I'm going to reveal the best 9 to 5 side hustle for 2022 right here in this video. Now, my name is Richard Hairston from richardhairston.com, and I can show you this simply because I still have a 9 to 5 job. Okay. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Don't let other people fool you into thinking that, you need to quit your job or to go into this full time. You can do this while you have a full-time job and use the income that you're earning from your full-time job. Take a portion of that income to fund your business to get you up and going. That's what I did. I had to bootstrap my way through this in order to get from where I was to where I am now. And I set aside a budget out of my paycheck, okay, each week. And I set aside a budget to start purchasing traffic. Okay. And that's what I'm going to reveal to you. You can do this if you make up your mind that you want to do it. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how you can start earning extra money full time. Okay. While working a full-time job right here in this video, the things you need to do. So pay close attention. Let's get right into it. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is find one offer. Okay. You can find the offer on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore, even if it's Amazon or whatever. Make sure you find one offer, okay, that you're going to stick with, and do not jump around from different opportunities. Even though people are, you're going to get these opportunities in your email box. You're going to get these opportunities presented to you on Facebook. Find you one traffic source, okay? Find you one offer, then find you one traffic source. Now, you can do Facebook, you can do YouTube videos, you can do TikTok, you can do Instagram, all of those things, Pinterest, LinkedIn, you can do that, but find one traffic source that you like, okay, that you want to do that's going to give you quick results. Number 3, you need to have just one funnel, okay? With that one funnel, you can always tweak the headlines. You can always tweak your bridge page if you're using a bridge page or a thank you page. Okay. You can always do little things inside of that funnel to make it better. Okay. But pick one offer, get one traffic source, and get one funnel. And I want to caution you here. You have to stay consistent with this one offer, this one traffic source, and this one funnel for 1 year. The problem with too many people is this. I had the same issue as well. While I'm working a full-time job, when I began this, I was jumping around from different opportunities to different opportunity. I've been in network marketing. I've done internet marketing, article marketing, Amazon, eBay. I've done all of these things, and I finally came back around to affiliate marketing, which is what I love to do. And since I focus on, one main core offer that I have right now, okay, and I'm going to show you that I have one traffic source other than doing YouTube videos that I use, and I have one funnel that I like to send traffic to, and I'm going to show you that funnel in this video. Although I do have some other funnels, that I test. But if you're just beginning, start with one offer, start with one traffic source, start with one funnel. Above all, stay consistent for 1 year. I want to caution you on this. You can't be jumping around from different opportunities to different opportunities, because you're really not going to have any success doing that. If you don't learn the fundamental skills of marketing your business, okay, then you're going to struggle. So focus on one offer, focus on one traffic source, focus on one funnel, stay consistent for 1 full year. Okay. The next thing you're going to have to do once you have your offer, your traffic source, and your funnel created, set aside time to work on your business. Okay. I don't know what your work schedule is. Maybe it's 8 to 5, or maybe you're working second shift or third shift, whatever the case. If you can work just 1 to 2 hours per day on your business, set aside time to do that. Let your family know. If you have a family, let your family know, look, This is when I'm working on my business. I do not want to be disturbed. Put a do not disturb sign on your door. Find you a place where you can have some privacy and actually work on your business. Once you do that, once you set aside the time, be consistent with your time every day. You show up at the same time every day, just like you do on your full-time job. You have a certain time to be there. You have a certain time for breaks. You have a certain time to leave. You have to be consistent with your business. If you're going to work from 6 in the evening to 8 at night, be consistent and do it. Okay. Don't try your best not to, do things within that time limit that's not going to help you benefit your business, which leads me to number 3, plan what you're going to do during that time. Okay. The main thing is, if you go back to the one offer, the one traffic source, and the one funnel, once you have your offer, once you have your funnel set up, it's just consistently you getting traffic. And the traffic source I'm going to show you really doesn't take much time other than placing an order. Okay. But always remember, I'm keeping this on the screen. Be consistent for 1 full year, because you want to be building that email list. And this is how you're going to do it. Okay. The next thing is, I want to talk about the one offer again. You want something that pays residual income, passive income, that if you can't work on your business while you're at work, your funnel is making money for you. Your offer is making money for you. Okay. I want residual income. There's nothing wrong with the one-time sales. Okay. There's nothing wrong with that. As a matter of fact, you can use the one-time sales in order to do number 2 here, which is purchase traffic. Okay. The traffic source I recommend are solo ads. Okay. They are quick, they're predictable, and you can get them up and going. It's quicker than trying to set up a Google ad. It's quicker than trying to set up a Bing ad. It's quicker than trying to prospect people on Facebook. Okay. It's quicker than trying to create, YouTube video. It's way faster than that. The one funnel, you can build that funnel in the HBA funnel builder, which is what I use. It's only $25 per month, and you can get access to that by clicking the link in the description. But the most important thing I want you to remember is always be consistent. Always be on your business. Okay. When you're on your job, you're on your job. You focus on your job. When you get off of your job, when you get in your office, when you get in your private space, when you get that me time for your business, focus on your business. Okay. Do not be jumping around from different business opportunity to different business opportunity. I know you're getting them in your inbox, in your Gmail account. I know people are hitting you up on Facebook. I know you're watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to do this and how to do that. Okay. Find you an offer, get you a traffic source, get you one funnel, and stay consistent for 1 full year. That's all you have to do. Okay. It's simple, but it's not easy. Okay. And I'm not going to tell you that doing affiliate marketing is easy, because it's not, because there are some things you're going to have to learn. There are some things you're going to have to do in order to make this work for you. And if you're not willing to do those things, chances are you're going to fail. Okay. So when it comes to earning extra money while working full time, these are the 3 things I believe are important. Okay. One offer, one traffic source. Okay. One funnel. That's it. And if you're ready to get started, go ahead on and click the link in the description. It's going to take you to this page right here. You're going to fill out your name and email. Okay. Put your information here, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. Once you get to this page, please watch this video. Okay. Watch it so you'll get an understanding of what is being offered to you. And if you come down this page, the whole goal of the all-in-one $25 digital business is to get your business profitable quickly, get you to 100K a year in 12 months or less. And number 3, to give you the skills to have unlimited income for life. This is one of the top offers that I believe that's on the internet today. Okay. And what you want is an offer that is selling and is doing it on its own once you present it to people. Now, that's not to say this is for everybody. Everybody's not going to get it, but those that see the value in this, they will do so. Okay. So here's everything you're getting with the instant access for, you're getting instant access for only $25 per month. Step one, you get to use our proven multi-million-dollar sales system to get you right now profit, even if it's your first day online. Okay. You're going to do it without your own product, website, customer service, product delivery, building complicated technical funnels. All of the hard, techie, time-consuming, expensive stuff is done for you, and you'll be getting leads right away, even if you're brand new and never made a dime online, and even if you are working a full-time job, okay? You see right here, they have paid out over $2 million in affiliate commissions. They pay out 80% commissions on each product in here, okay? So the products are done, the website's done, sales funnel done, emails pre-written, product delivery done, customer service done, ads and ad copy done, customer upgrades are done, okay? If we come down through here on step 2, you're going to use the power of 80% commission and freedom money to create $100,000 per year in residual income. Okay, let me explain something to you right here. Coming in at the $25, okay, for the funnel builder, will not get you to $100,000 yearly residual income as quickly as possible. You're going to have to, in my opinion, and I'm all in, is go all in order for this to work for you. If you're going to promote the offer, go all in on the offer because you believe in it. I believe in this offer. There are thousands of other people who are joining this opportunity that believe in this offer, and I believe it'll work for you. Okay. You're going to get up to $120 per month per customer for as long as they remain a member. Okay. You can read this right here. One sale turns into $74,800 a year. 2 sales turns into $149,000. 3 sales. Now you got to redefine text here. Read defines text. Okay. Generate just a single sale, all in one business customer per week. Okay. Who remains a monthly customer, that's up to $6,240 per month. Okay, so you can read that information right here. Make sure you read the income disclaimer right here. Okay, if we go on down to step number 3, you use our automation tools, community, personal mentor, and simple step-by-step strategies to create unlimited income streams. Being a part of this community is what makes this work for you because you're never left alone. Okay, if for some reason you can't get in contact with me, you'll be able to get in the community, in our Facebook group, in our Telegram chat group, and ask any questions that you need answers to. Okay. And here's what you get. You get the Funnel Builder Academy. You're going to get the 30-minute workday formula. You get the Freedom Launchpad course. Okay. Done for you million dollar page template that converts traffic into leads and leads to sales. The ultimate traffic swipe, instant traffic avalanche, how to get in front of 100,000 people in the next 24 hours, exactly where you can find billions of visitors to offer for pennies, to any offers for pennies, the ultimate email swipe file, 3 simple emails you type one time that leads to sales quickly on autopilot for life, 50 pre-written emails by one of the world's top email copywriters, and live personal help from the community you need nearly 24 hours per day. Okay. Instant help, live masterminds every Monday night. You get on a live mastermind with the community every day at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Let me get it right. Yeah, 10 a.m. Central time, 11 Eastern time. You get on the traffic and conversions training. Okay. Every day they have Grow Rich live masterminds. Okay. That's a total of $12,253. Okay. We feed starving children. Feel good knowing that every sale you purchase, you make feed starving children all over the world. Okay. As of to date, we provided well over 138,000 meals to starving children around the world. Come in here, meet the community, watch this video, listen to some of these testimonials, come down here, watch this video, okay? Fill in your information and make sure that you tick this box to get your 2 full weeks, okay, of premium for free, okay? So you can get inside the community, so you can see what's going on inside of the community, so you can ask your questions, so you can really step up your game and learn how to get traffic and convert that traffic into sales. Check that box right there. You're only going to invest $25 today. Tick this box and you are good to go. Okay. So if you are ready to start earning money online while working a full-time job, go ahead and click the link in the description, because this is the best 9-to-5 side hustle for 2022. Now, I know there are a lot of programs out there, true, but this is what I consider one of the best. Now, look, I still have a 9-to-5 job and I'm doing this part-time, but I'm earning consistent weekly income. Okay. With this one offer, with the one sales funnel, with the one traffic source other than YouTube. Okay, so you can make this work for you by clicking the link in the description. Make sure you get Udemy, and make sure that you get response email autoresponder. With that being said, I'm out of here. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Go ahead on right now. Start earning money while working a full-time job. I will see you on the inside. Peace.